So this is why I quit dropshipping. Like literally all this time I've been dropshipping for a couple months already, like probably like 5 months or so. And like I've been taking losses on losses on losses. I burnt a whole lot of money on ads, even stores. Like literally I burnt a lot of money and time to it, but I still couldn't get anything off the ground. I've literally tried everything I could, but there was nothing that I was not able to do. I couldn't afford a mentor because these mentors were overcharging. They were talking about $3,000, $5,000, $6,000. I'm like, bro, I ain't got that. I don't know who y'all think we are. We ain't made of money like that, bro. Once I started counting out the money I lost, bro, like it made sense for me to take a break. And that's when you fuck up. Like when I took a break, man, it ruined everything for me. It ruined all my motivation, everything that I had going. Like every single thing I've learned, it was basically just being thrown out of the trash. Like it was stupid. Like not gonna lie, that's like on me. But then again, I got stressed out. I got stressed out by like not making anything, not making any progress, not making anything whatsoever. Like I wanted to keep going on my journey to becoming a millionaire, but I just couldn't do it, bro. I couldn't break it. Like the most amount of money I was able to even make was like in one store, maybe like $60. No, I think it was like $100. But I couldn't do it no more. You know what I mean? Like there's this saying that you gotta know when to give up, and I kind of knew how to give up, but like I don't think I was supposed to give up during that moment. That's why I said I was taking a break, but that shit was not a break. I ain't gonna lie. Again, I was just out here working on my freaking job and shit too, like my 9 to 5. If y'all don't know what to do, I'm actually a mechanic. You know what I mean, bro? I just be fixing cars. I've been working in the shop, just been getting my money up and shit. Cause one of the things I didn't have that much income to expand, so I couldn't really do it. So I had to do everything like slowly. You know what I mean? But then again, that shit hits you again, bro. This shit goes into a fucking cycle. You hit your midlife crisis. I'm not in my midlife crisis era and everything, but like, bro, when that shit hits, it hits. The first thing you start thinking, yo, what am I doing with my life, bro? What is this? Why am I still here? Why am I still working? I had a dream, I had a goal, I had things I wanted to do, but I couldn't accomplish any of them. So why am I so compliant? Like that 9 to 5, that safety net, it's so easy to get a hold on, bro. It's so easy to get trapped in that process, and like to break out of it, you need that midlife crisis, bro. You gotta be like, yo, what the fuck is going on with my life? What am I doing with my life, bro? How do I get out? How do I escape? So I started making formulas on how to do it, what I need to do, and all that and shit, right? Like that shit would pass, I wouldn't do it. I'm like, alright, I'm gonna start dropshipping again, and boom, another week later, it doesn't happen. Then in literally 4 months, I'm like, yo, what am I doing? What am I still doing here? I had a plan. Why am I still here? Like, you know what literally broke me out that cycle? Mikey. Bro, I even logged into the YouTube channel in a while, like the one where I actually watch every single videos, like, but like for some reason, this man got recommended to me. It was that video about how he turned a friend to a million. I'm like, yo. Once I didn't even need to watch that video. Once I seen that notification, I'm like, bro, that could have been me if I had stayed focused, bro. Cause it's all a numbers game. But then again, I was taking too many losses. But hey, going forward, bro, I'm coming back. I'm literally coming back. I'm putting my full effort into it now. I'm pulling everything I have into it, cause I gotta get out of this situation that I'm in. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna make a plan and I'm gonna execute everything. I'm gonna do it step by step by step. I want to see myself hit that goal. I want to see that $100 a day to 1,000 to 10,000. You know what I mean? Like I need that shit, bro. And yo, for me to do it, bro, I'm gonna need that motivation from you guys as well, bro. Like, come on, bro. Y'all gotta send your supports in the comments and shit, bro. Cause y'all gotta help me out. But bro, I'm only human, dog. But I'm tired, bro. I get tired of shit when I start making losses. But I got more money now. I've been saving up, so I can actually put more money to dropshipping and shit. But I'm not just going to go and dropship. Obviously, I'm gonna try doing some other shit too, some other ecom related things as well. You know what I mean? I'm gonna try option trading. Like I'm gonna try all that shit. You know what I mean? Because like there has to be something for you. Cause all this information is online and it's free. We just gotta tap into it and get into it. You know what I mean? But hey, man, I appreciate you guys for watching, bro.